Okay, the objective for this part is to be able to correctly deposit multiple checks. So first we're going to go ahead and put our name and then our date. And oftentimes when people go to the bank, they will take several checks that maybe they received from a family member or for their job. So this time we're going to pretend that we are depositing 3 checks. The amounts of those checks are, the first one is for $8, so we're going to put $8 in that line. The second check is for $12, and the third check is for $15. Okay, so we have previously every other one we've added up. The subtotal has always been the same. It's just the one check we are deposited. But this time, since we have 3 checks, our subtotal will be all 3 of those checks together. So we need to add it up. So we have 0, 0. 8 plus 2 plus 5 is 15. And then 1 plus carryover 1. And then we have 3. So we have a subtotal of $35. We're not done yet. We have to decide if we want cash back. And in this case, we do not want cash back. So that means that our net deposit, the amount that we are putting into our checking account, would be $35. Okay, so again, we don't not want cash back, so we do not need to put a signature. So we scroll down to the check register page, and we put the date. This was the next day, and we put deposit because we are putting money into our account, and we put in a total of $35. So 35. And because we deposited money, we are adding. So you see there, $2.07 plus 35. We add, we got 7, 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then bring down the 3. And so now our new balance is $37.07. That's how much money we have left to spend. Okay, so we go up, we realize that we have enough money to buy one of those sweatshirts from Kip Sharpstown that we've wanted. So we put our name at the top and the date, and we go down to pay to the order. And since we're buying it from our school, we just put our school's name there, Kip Sharpstown, and the cost of those sweatshirts are $25.60. Okay, so now we put 25, we spell out 25, and then we put an N to represent a decimal, and then we put 60 over 100, and then a line all the way. And then we put under memo sweatshirt, because that's what we bought, and then the bottom right hand corner we sign our name. Okay, now we go down and we are ready to change our balance. So we write today's date because we bought it the same day we deposited our money. And we put Kip Sharpstown because that's who we paid our money to. And we put it under payment because we bought something. We put our total, $25.60. And we subtract from our previous balance, and we get 7 subtract 0 is 7. And we have to borrow, in this case, from the 7 to make that a 6. And 10 subtract 6 is 4. 6 subtract 5 is 1. 3 subtract 2 is 1. So now our new balance is $11.47.